Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading. Guys, I have updated you regarding the free training program. In case you have not seen the video regarding the free training program, you can just check out the video. I have uploaded it few days back. Let's check out today what has happened with Nifty and Bank Nifty. And after analyzing what has happened today, we'll also go and plan for tomorrow's trade. Guys, you can check out today Nifty had gapped up very well. In fact, above 13640, the level what I had drawn, and it started retracing. And here you can see the low. You can check out the low here on this particular candle. As I had said you before, 13600, this is going to be strong resistance zone. You can check out here, I had marked here R1, and if you see, prices had retraced almost till 13606.45 here, this point. You can see the low here. The low was around 13606.45. It has taken a support here somewhere around 13606 to 13613 levels, and from there it had bounced. It had hit 13640 and 13680. Right? Now let's go and check out what had happened with Bank Nifty as well. Today Bank Nifty was very beautiful. You can check out here in Bank Nifty. We had marked our resistance zone level here, that is R1. You can see how prices had gapped up and opened within the zone. This was the plus point here, price opening within the zone, and initially in the first candle itself I had seen selling pressure, and then there was a small pullback, you can see on the upside, and after that you can see the prices had started falling from 3900 levels itself. It had taken a support at previous day high, and once it broke, you can see it had come to S1, and from S1 it had made a low of somewhere around 3526. Right? Now after this you can see the prices had bounced up and closed above S1 level. Let me zoom this. You can see here, close above this S1 level. There was a retracement back to the zone, and from here, as I had said you before, we can see for a target for resistance zone 1. You can see the prices had started moving on the upside. This was a simple trade based on our zones. Now let's go and check what we can do for tomorrow in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Let me delete these drawings first. Let's go and check out first daily candle, and after that we'll see 2-hour candle, 15 minutes candle and 5 minutes candle. Based on that we'll have our plan for tomorrow. Let me go to daily candle first. This shows something like a hanging man. We can expect a reversal, and from few days, almost around 4 to 5 days now, you can see there has been no good candle at all. There was a good bullish candle on 9th of December, and after that we have seen a hanging man, a spinning top, a small bullish candle here. It was not so good. All these candles don't show strength at all. All I can see is there is buying happening from the bottom levels, but there are sellers who are sitting at this resistance zone. Let's go and check out into our chart. Right, okay, let me extend these zones now. I'm going to maintain the same zones in Bank Nifty. There's no change in Bank Nifty at all. Okay, these are the same zones what I'm going to maintain for Bank Nifty. Let me check out 15-minute chart. This is a resistance level what I'll be using for tomorrow as well. I have a zone here that is R1. This will be the same S1. There will be no change with this. And this will remain S2. Okay, let's go and check it out in 5 minutes chart as well. After that we'll see what we can do for tomorrow. Okay, well, for tomorrow I'll maintain the same zone as resistance zone. This will be my R1, resistance zone 1, support zone 1 and support zone 2. You can see the levels here what I've maintained. All this price, whatever you are seeing on the right side in pink color, these are the zones what I have drawn with. You can just focus on this. This will help you out a lot. Okay, now guys, as I have said you before, whenever price closes between two zones, you can check out here, price has closed between the R1 and S1. I'll always wait patiently to take a trade. I prefer taking trades when it comes to the zone. So what my plan is in case the price moves down tomorrow till this level, and if it reverses from here within this zone and then a reversal on the top side, I'll probably take a long trade for the target of R1, the same way what it has behaved today. You can check it out. This would be my trade on the long side, and if this breaks, yes, I would be looking for S2. Before S2, once it hits today's low, let me mark today's low as well. Guys, this is also going to be an important level for tomorrow. I'll tell you why I'm drawing this. Once it closes below S1, I'll see for a target of today's low. Now, the reason why I'm drawing this 35.26, you can see previously from the same level, the prices had reversed. You can see a point here. Let me mark this. We had seen a reversal from here. The same thing has happened today. Right, let me check out this low as well. This low is somewhere around 35.33. I'll probably maintain 35.33 as itself as an important level. Okay, this is somewhere around 35.33. Somewhere here. And below this 35.33, I'll see for S2 as the target on the downside. And in case it reverses from S2, again I can take a long position again for a target of 35.33, and above this I'll see for S1 as my target. And in case price gaps up, and enters this level, that is 3900 to 3830, it's almost around 70 point zone, what I can do, once it reaches here and if it starts reversing again as it has happened today, you can see here, you can take a short position for a target of S1 on the downside, and if it breaks S1 you can take a target for S2. This is how I would look for tomorrow's trade. Before S2 I will have an important level at 35.33, that is today's candle low, right? Okay, now you can check out, I'll just convert it to 15 minutes candle. You can check out how many times the prices have reversed from this level, that is R1. This is R1, resistance zone 1. Today we had seen a reversal, it had gapped up. You can see here it was a gap up again on 14th of December, entered this zone, and from here it had fallen down again on the same now again on 14th, on the same day. You can see here prices had gone to the resistance zone and again fallen down. The same thing had happened here as well. You can see price had entered the zone, and from here we had seen a reversal, entered the zone here, and we had seen a reversal. This is the reason why I am maintaining this as a strong resistance zone. And one more thing, let me tell you, today's high as well will be very important point. Even if price enters the zone R1, guys, make sure it closes above 39.25. If it shows a bullish candle closing above 39.25, and if price sustains there, then probably I'll take a long position for 31.040 and 31.90 as the target. Right, so Bank Nifty plan is very simple. Now let's go to Nifty and understand what is the plan for tomorrow. The first thing what I see is it was a gap up today, so I'll have to change the zones. Let's go and create new zones. Okay, let me go to 1 day chart first. Let's see what is the kind of candle it has formed today. You can see this was the candle what it has today. It has formed. It's still not a good bullish candle, though it had gapped up, it closed above. It's not a bullish candle. If it breaks tomorrow's high, yes, we can expect some more momentum on the upside. Let me go to 2 hour chart and check it out. Okay, let me draw some zones here. I'm changing some zones, guys. I'll even mark these levels so that you can plot the same thing on your system and check out how it will work. Okay, I have extended some zones here. I'll create one more zone at the top. Okay, let me go to 15 minutes chart now. Guys, for tomorrow this is going to be my R1, that is today's high where it had formed. That will be my resistance zone 1. Let me plan accordingly my S2 as well, S1 and S2, that is support zone 1 and support zone 2. So this is going to be my S1, and this is going to be my S2. I'm changing the zones here. Okay, now I also have a trend line here, what I've drawn, you can see here. Now what can I expect for tomorrow? Guys, in case price starts falling from this level, the good chances it can come down, or in case it enters this R1 and starts coming down, on 15 minutes you can see something like a double top here, right? Once this low breaks, let me mark that, and if price sustains below this level, you can initiate your short position here for a small target of S1, and in case it breaks below this, then yes, you can expect the prices to reach almost near S2, which is or there is a previous today's low, and then you can expect the price to move to S2. Below this S2 we can expect S3 and this trend line to come in. This is what it looks like for now. In case price breaks R1, closes above this, then what can we expect? We can expect 13,720 on the upside, 13,720 and 13,760. Right, so tomorrow's trade plan on Nifty is also very simple. In case you want to note this level, you can note it out. Whatever I have marked here, with the same levels I have drawn the zones. As I said, if price enters this zone and reverses, it forms something like a double top, and once it closes below this 13,663, you can initiate your shorts for S1 as a target, or if there is any risky trader, if you want to take a trade, you can initiate a short once it reverses from R1 itself. But guys, make sure you always trade with tight stop loss, and once you are in profit, start trailing your profits, right? And there are good chances it can reverse from here as well and move towards R1. In case price reverses from any of the zones, you can take a reverse trade as well. The good chances like this as well, right? So for Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's very simple, and I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. This is whatever I'm showing you, it's just for education purpose. In case you are trading in Nifty or Bank Nifty, it's highly volatile script. Make sure you always use tight stop loss. Stop loss has to be in system, not in your mind. And once you are in profit, make sure you trail your stop losses so that you don't lose potential profits. So guys, that's all for today. For tomorrow's trading plan, it's very simple, it's not so complicated. You can just plot the zones and observe how it works. And guys, I request you all to share regarding this free training programs to your friends as well, so that everyone gets benefited. And in case you are not subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel. And if you have understood something in this video, give a like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the regular updates. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow again. Have a good night.